Morning guys. So today I'm taking 8 morning 6 a.m. at Wombat City Hostel. This is Munich, a beautiful German city, and we move through the passes. See over here there are cycles parked. You can travel in any of the tram, train, bus and local trains through a single ticket in Germany. It's massively organized. You need to have a DB app in your mobile phone and obviously a DB ticket. And see, Hauptbahnhof Süd. This means Central Station Munich in the south. It's one of the most costliest and most beautiful cities of Germany. Muncher Studio, Meriden. And now you'll see how beautifully people are waiting. It's Softel. And look at cycles being parked. Here everything is in severe discipline. You can't cross the road as per your wishes. There should be a green light for people to cross. Now I'll show you. Look, she's crossing. You see? It's a green for human being to walk. And half that means Munich Central Station. So here I'll go and get down to 10th check train S7. S7 is my train and it will take me to the nearest station of my place. Down Germany, Hauptbahnhof Munich Central Station. That's great, massive, beautiful. Hey guys, ticking off. Good morning, bye-bye, guten Tag. So if you have any difficulty in the train, you can come to this DB information desk. DB information desk will guide you about how to mobilize. Right, there's Oxgen Nord Armstrabe written, but that's not important. Important is S, and the arrow is downstairs. You can see. Let you reach there. Our trains are going to Paris from here. Hamburg. Left side is a central station. So Von Hamburg, Paris, Düsseldorf. If you see the arrow, you can see. Nuremberg is ICE. It's only that is very, very, very beautifully organized. Yeah, that's the most beautiful part of this place. Everyone is disciplined. Everything is fully organized. I'll show you how to reach the train from Wombat City Hostel to S7. My train S7 is over here. See S. Can you see S7 Wolfer Straussen? The fourth one. If you see it nicely, is the fourth one. So it's 8 minutes from now. Comes on Gissing 1. Gissing 1 means platform 1. But there's one more thing. If you have no rush, you stand on the right side in Germany. If you have rush, you cross to the left. So there is no people-to-people struggling like metros. Extremely disciplined. This is Munich Central Station, Hauptbahnhof. There are multiple people over here helping. There is no sort of checking of what happens in India. Checking, frisking, nothing. Right? So their grocery shops open at 6 a.m. in the morning. So you know they are open around the clock. Right? Now you see, S7 has come. One S7 has come. Two Straße. And 1S7 is due, Wolferhausen. So they have directed. Now I'll go downstairs, pick S7. train is about to arrive. Bye bye. So now see, S2 is about to come. 4 minutes. So my train will be next in queue. How many trains are ahead? That is also displayed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Okay. Have a great day. And I've got points over here for welcome. These are local train, opposite side. I'm not going. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Hotel.